actually ended up putting the rest of my makeup on before doing my eyebrows just because my skin condition is not good right now. But usually I would put on my brows before my base makeup or anything. The first step that I do is I take a powder and then I powder my eyebrows and also the area surrounding it. This is an important step if you want your eyebrows to stay on the entire day and if you use a hard formula eyebrow pencil. I think that eyebrow products just stick and apply better when you mattify the eyebrows and the skin around it. The next step would be a clear brow gel. This is the one that I'm using. It's from Anastasia Beverly Hills. With the clear eyebrow gel, I'm just going to start brushing all of my hairs up and this way. I'm just gonna brush it in the direction that it grows. And this part I don't really care about because my brows are not symmetrical anyway, and they grow, both eyebrows like have hairs growing in different directions at different parts of the eyebrow. So I just follow my natural eyebrow. The reason why I groom my eyebrows really thin is because, it's not because I want to, but my eyebrows, instead of growing like more hairs up here, I tend to grow like more down here. And so I like to shave off any parts that like go under this line just because I'd rather keep my eyebrows higher up on my forehead than really close to my eyes. I'm just pushing all of my hairs sideways and out, and so when it gets to the end, I'll start shaping the tip of my eyebrow. I know that a lot of people also like the soap method. I find that the soap method is a little too waxy for me, if that makes sense. I feel like maybe it'll work better with people who have thicker eyebrows than me. So now that I've set my eyebrows with eyebrow gel, I'm going to go in with the MAC Shape and Shade Brow Tint. It's an eyebrow tint with a really thin brush like this. Even though my eyebrow hairs are dark, I'm using a taupe color because I feel like this kind of color is more universal and it's going to look a lot more natural instead of having a dark eyebrow tint and then using that to draw on your like eyebrow hairs. So with this product, I'm going to only use this on my tips just to draw some hairs that are non-existent. This step is going to give me an idea of what my eyebrow is going to be shaped like, and I usually like to draw my eyebrows arched or with like a round arch like this, and I like thicker eyebrows, so I'm drawing a little bit on the top as well. The next product I'm using is the Shiromura Brow Sword Eyebrow Pencil. Unlike any eyebrow pencil that I've tried, this one has a really unique shape. It's a pre-shaped naginata, which is a Japanese sword, so that's where the product got its name from. The Shiromura eyebrow pencils all have a really nice hard formula, and this formula gives off a really natural finish for the eyebrows. I'm going in with Seal Brown for the front of my eyebrow, and I'm still going in those brush-like strokes. If there's any place that is uneven, I'll just use my spoolie to brush it out. The tip allows me to be more precise, and it also helps with my hair-like strokes. I'll use a concealer palette. Oof. I'll use a concealer palette to clean up around the eyebrows if I want. And this I don't really do under my eyebrows, but I like to clean up on the top. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then for my last step, I'm going to go back in with my HD powder and then powder my brows again.